Hey, welcome to Jendell Overland. I'm Johnny, and today's discussion is starting over. For some reason, my channel on YouTube has failed. 11,000 subscribers, but it's not pushing my content anymore. So I'm going back to my original channel, JL Johnny's Jeep Life, and this is a channel that I started 18 years ago. It's gone through many different changes. Where I showed vinyl, I played guitar, and then I started my JL Johnny's Jeep Life video series, which was really good. Made a lot of errors and really learned how to use YouTube. So I thought, and my Jendell channel has died on me. So I'm going to continue with Jendell Overland, but I'm going to come to this channel rather than using that channel. I have 11,000 subscribers, but I only get 200 views, so there's something broken in the algorithm. Today we're going to be discussing the bubbling on my Jeep. This has happened twice now, and I'm just going to point it out to you here. Right here, you'll see some of that. There's a little bit right there. There's a little bit right there. There's some right there. There's a bunch right there. Some right there. Now, I know people have been talking about this problem on YouTube for years, but this is the second time that I'm going to have to send this in to get fixed. Luckily, they looked at it before the warranty ran out, but it's very frustrating because now I'm going to have to take off all these decals and start from scratch. Do you guys have this problem with your Jeep? Has it happened yet? And, you know, for the money that we pay for these Jeeps, I mean, this shouldn't be a thing. This shouldn't be a problem. So hopefully with the 2025 Jeeps and up, that they figure this thing out. But it's been a problem since, you know, I think it's been a problem since before the JKs came out. Even the TJs had this problem. So it's not something new. They just got to figure it out and get it fixed. So, thanks guys for joining me here at Jendell Overland. This is my returning to my original channel, and hopefully if you're subscribed to my other channel, you come and subscribe to this one. And with any luck, the algorithm will fix itself and it will start recommending these videos to new viewers. I know a lot of people are quitting YouTube and stopping altogether, and I don't think that's the right choice. I think that just me going back to this original channel may help, and we'll see how it works. So watch for new videos coming out. I got a new video coming out this week, and probably another one next week. So keep your eyes out for that. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and please click that like button. That's what helps the algorithm. And if you comment below and like as much as you can, then that'll get my content out there to other people. I think that's the problem, and only you guys can help with that. So please do me a favor and just hit that like button.